Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are fine. I am engineer Rehanullah. My dear friends, my previous topic is about how to calculate cutting length of spiral or helix bar. My dear friends, today my topic is about how to calculate cutting length of crank or bend up bar. My dear friend, this topic is very important for you. If you want to learn this topic, you need to watch the video at the end. And if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new updates. Now let's start the lecture. For example, this is the long section of the beam. The clear span between two support is 4000 millimeter or 4 meter. The breadth of the column is 300 millimeter. Concrete core is equal to 25 millimeter. The dia of bar use 12 millimeter and the depth of the beam is 300 millimeter. Now let's start the solution. My dear friend, this formula is used for finding the crack length. Clear span, this is distance between two support, which equal to 4000 millimeter, plus development length, this is development length from this point to this point, plus crack length, the crack length measure from this point to this point, minus 1t multiplied by 4. What is this value? This is used for bend deduction for 45 degree. If the bend is on 45 degree, we use formula 1d multiply by 4 because the number of bend is 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4 minus 2d multiplied by 2. This is formula for 90 degree bend 1 and 2. For 90 degree bend you use formula 2d. My dear friend, this point you remember in your mind. Clear span plus 2 multiplied by LD because the development length is 2, 1 and 2 plus 2 multiplied by 0.42 into D. My dear friend, for 45 degree we use 0.42 D. This formula is used for finding this crack length from this point to this point. Minus 1d multiplied by 4. This is for 45 degree bend minus 2d multiplied by 2. This is for 90 degree bend. My dear friend, all the value is present in this long section, but this d value is unknown. First of all, I am find the value of this d. Formula used for finding the value of d. D is equal to depth of the beam minus 2 times concrete cover minus dia of bar. Depth of the beam is 300 millimeter minus 2 times concrete cover, 25 from this side and 25 from this side, minus 12. 12 is the dia of this bar, half from this side and half from this side. The value of D is equal to 238 millimeter. Now put the value in this formula. Cutting length of crank bar 4000 millimeter. This is clear span plus 2 multiply by 40 multiply by 12. 2 is the number of development length, 1 and 2 multiply by 40. This is the value of formula. Multiply by 12. This is the dia of bar, plus 2 because the crank length is 2, 1 and 2 multiply by 0.42 multiply by 238. This is the value of this formula for finding this crank length from this point to this point, minus 1 multiply by 12 multiply by 4. 1 is used for 45-degree bend, 1D. 1 is formula value, D is the dia of bar, which equal to 12 multiply by 4 because the number of bend is 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, minus 2D. This is for 90-degree bend. 2 multiply by 12 multiply by 2. This is for 90-degree bend, which equal to 2D. Cutting length of crank bar is equal to 4943.92 millimeter. And meter, this value is equal to 4.943 meter. This is the cut length of this crank bar. My dear friend, there is some key point I want to explain for you. You remember this point in your mind. Bend deduction. If the bend is on 45 degree, we use formula 1D for this bend. If the bend is on 90 degree, just like this, we use 2D. D is the dia of bar. If the bend is on 135 degree, we use formula 3D. And for finding the crank length, we use this formula. If this angle on 45 degree, we use 0.42D, where D is the dia of this bar, just like this. If this angle on 30 degree, we use 0.27D. If the angle is on 60 degree, just like this angle, we use 0.58D. My dear friend, this formula you remember in your mind, because this is the most important formula for this lecture. My dear friend, it's enough for today. Inshallah, see you with another video. If you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new updates. Bye bye.